Hey, it's Dr. Porter, and I am here to give you a quick acupuncture emergency button. Sometimes we experience those times when our back goes out all of a sudden, and then you feel totally stiff and like you cannot move. And acupuncture can be really helpful. So if you're able to get to an acupuncturist, that is really wonderful, but sometimes that's not possible. Sometimes these things happen, in the evening or on a weekend, or you just can't get in soon enough. So this is something that you can do on your own. You can use your fingernail. So there's an emergency point right here, right where your nose meets the top half. So right there is where you're going to push. I save these acupuncture needle introducers. They're plastic. They're kind of hard. So this is something that I kind of carry in my purse with me just in case of emergency, because this is an acupuncture emergency point. So this helps to unlock your back. And I have had people who have been on the floor, like stuck on the floor. I've been able to get them up and walking within 30 minutes to an hour using this technique. And so it's really helpful. So I'm going to show you how to do it using this, but you can also, just use your fingernail. You need something firm that you can push against, and you're going to push on this point. So I'm going to use this, and I'm going to push up, and you're going to aim, you're going to angle it up. This is really a beautiful picture of me, but you're going to aim it up towards there and push really hard. You want to push to the point where tears could be coming from your eyes, because it's not comfortable. It's really uncomfortable, actually. But you're going to aim with an upwards angle. And so if I had an acupuncture needle and I placed that in, I would be twirling it around. So you want to aim up there, and you can also do it, like I said, with your fingernail, and just you want to get it to a point where it's not comfortable. It's uncomfortable, but your back is uncomfortable. So you'll be applying pressure there. And then what you want to do is gently move around. So you'll start in some small circular motions as you're pushing up. And if you have something like this and you can kind of twirl it around, you can do that. And then you can go in the opposite direction as well. So this, it's, as I said, it's uncomfortable. If you get to a point where there's tears coming out of your eyes, you know that you're doing it right. So if you do not have an acupuncturist available, you can try this for yourself and see if that helps to unlock your back. Take care. Bye.